Did you know that your favorite YouTubers earn in dollars from their channels every single month? Yes, we make money from our channels and you too can do this. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step how to get started and how you too can grow a profitable channel, earn between $100 to $500 every month as a YouTuber working from the comfort of your home. Hello, money makers! If your goal this year is to earn in dollars, working from the comfort of your home with your smartphone, then you need to consider YouTube. Yes, YouTube is one of the easiest way to earn in dollars working from the comfort of your home. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a profitable YouTube channel that will allow you to start earning in dollars in a few months. I'm going to share the steps you need as well as quick tips that will help guide you grow your channel really fast. I know you're excited about this, so grab your popcorn and stay back. Let's go through this step by step. Are you ready? Let's jump straight in. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chiamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if you're looking for videos on how to earn money from the comfort of your home, you're onto the right channel, you are watching the right video. And in today's video, I want to show you how you can earn between $100 to $500 every month as a YouTuber working from the comfort of your home. The first step is to create a YouTube channel. Oh yes, if you're going to be a YouTuber, start making money from YouTube, you need to have a YouTube channel. Now, guess what? Creating a YouTube channel is so easy, it's free. In about 2 minutes, you'll be able to do that. To help you create a profitable YouTube channel for yourself, I created this video here showing you step by step how to create a YouTube channel in about 2 minutes. The link is contained in the description of this video. So click on the link and you're going to learn step by step how to create a channel for yourself using just your smartphone. Step 2, pick a profitable niche. Now, for clarity, niche means topic, what you are talking about on your channel. I need to let you understand, on YouTube, the topic you are talking about matters a lot if one of your goals is to make money. There are niches that are profitable and there are niches that are not profitable. Niches that grow really fast, get a lot of subscribers and a lot of views, but they don't make a lot of money. Their CPM is low. Then there are other niches that may not get thousands and millions of views and grow really fast, but their CPM is high, which means they make a lot of money. And by the way, CPM means cost per milli. That is how much advertisers are willing to pay you per 1,000 views your videos get. Example of those niches that grow really fast, but the CPM is not very high, is comedy and entertainment. Such videos get a lot of views, a lot of likes, but most times the pay is not as high as other niches. On the other hand, here are some niches that have high CPM. You have tech, business, insurance, and some other ones. Here's the thing, when it comes to picking the right niche on YouTube, it can be very tricky. So I made this video showing you 5 core things you need to pay attention to when you are deciding what your channel should be. Now, here's the video and the link is contained in the description of this video. So you get a guide on how to pick a niche that fits who you are and will also be profitable for you. Step 3 is to start creating quality videos. So you've created your channel, you picked a niche. The next thing you want to do is to learn how to create quality videos that will appeal to your audience. Yes, you need to learn to create the kind of content your audience love to watch, that makes them want to watch the video from the beginning to the end. Subscribe to your channel and come back for more and more of videos from you. This is one of the core things when it comes to growing a YouTube channel. Yes, when it comes to growing a profitable YouTube channel and doing that really fast, the quality of content you put out there matters. When you're able to create the kind of content your audience find irresistible, they would love what you do, share your videos, subscribe to your channel, and look forward to your subsequent content. And this is exactly what you need to learn how it is done. Video creation doesn't happen automatically. There's a guide on how it is done, and this is why you need a full training on how to become a YouTuber. So I have a 10-day challenge where I hold your hands and walk you step by step everything you need to know about finding a video topic to talk about, creating the video, editing it, and a whole lot of other things you need to know that will leave your audience glued to your content. When it comes to creating engaging and entertaining videos for your audience, here is a quick tip. The first 15 seconds of your video can make or break your videos. This is a time you want to give your audience what they need to hear to stay back and watch the video to the end. So you need to think of something you are going to say in the first 15 seconds of your video that leaves them wanting to hear more from you. Step 4 is video editing. Editing is the final touch you give to your video that moves a video from a basic recording to a professional content that leaves your audience glued to the video from the beginning to the end. So you know those things you see when you watch a video. Hello, my name is Jane. You see the name, or somebody saying, I'm going to show you how to do exercise, and you see somebody bumping up, or even what we call transitions like this, this, or this. All of these things are effects we achieve through video editing. These are manipulations that makes the video very entertaining and engaging for your audience and ends up making them to watch the video from beginning to the end. When this happens, you trigger YouTube algorithm. That is to get YouTube to promote your video and make your video go viral. So you must have seen other people's videos with 100,000 views, 500,000, 1 million views. These are viral videos, and it's something that is achieved when YouTube algorithm promotes your videos for you. There are two conditions that when you meet on your videos, YouTube algorithm will pick your video and start promoting it for you. The first one, when people watch your videos for a longer time, you achieve high AVD. AVD simply means average view duration. When people watch the video from beginning to the end, the video gets a high AVD, and then it pushes YouTube algorithm to promote your videos for you. If you'd like to know the second thing it takes for a video to go viral, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to let you know. Here is something very interesting about video editing. You can edit your videos using just your smartphone. It is called mobile video editing, and it's one of the things I cover in this 10-day YouTube challenge. You really want to join this class to learn all the skills, strategies, tips, and hacks you need to launch, grow, and monetize your YouTube channel in a very short time. Link to sign up is contained in the description of this video. So go on and click on the link and have me mentor you one-on-one. Hold your hand, walk you through all the skills, steps, and everything you need to know. Yes, I would love to see you in this 10-day challenge. So step 5 is to learn to create attractive thumbnail. Now, first off, thumbnail is the first thing people see when they come across your content on YouTube. So thumbnail is that thing you see on YouTube whenever you get on this platform. Something like this. These things are not the video, rather they are thumbnails. They are things we design separately from the video and we add it to the video while uploading it. If you master how to design catchy and attractive thumbnails, a lot of people would click on your video and watch it. Now, the role of a thumbnail is to get people to click. It's more like a hook. So when it's very attractive and irresistible, it gets a lot of eyeballs and gets a lot of clicks, which means a lot of people are going to be watching your video. So you see how important thumbnail is? That's why you need to learn how to design thumbnails. I see a lot of new YouTubers making videos without thumbnails. Some others use generic thumbnails, something they randomly made or picked from somewhere and add to their video. Using unattractive thumbnail or even no thumbnail at all will make people not to click on the video. At the end of the day, the time you spent making the video will be wasted because nobody will see the video. Now, guess what? You can learn thumbnail design in one day if you sign up for this 10-day challenge. The sixth and last step is to learn how to grow your YouTube channel. You need to learn how to get subscribers and get views on your video. This is actually one of the hardest for new YouTubers. There are a lot of amazing strategies to growing a YouTube channel, getting subscribers, and getting people to watch your videos. I cover all of this in detail in this 10-day challenge. You don't want to miss it. So there are two major methods of growing a YouTube channel. The first method is getting YouTube algorithm to promote your videos and help you go viral. I experienced this in my second channel sometime last year when 2 of my videos on that channel went viral. The second method are efforts you make on your own. So as a new YouTuber, no one knows you yet on this platform. There are a lot of smart strategies you can use to get a lot of eyeballs on your videos, get a lot of people to know you, like, trust you, Subscribe to your channel, become part of your online community, and look forward to your subsequent content. I cover all of this in detail in this 10-day challenge. This training is all you need if you want to learn how to grow on YouTube. When you sign up for this training, for the next 10 days, I'm going to hold your hands alongside others and teach you all the skills, give you assignments, give you time to do the assignment. You finish your assignment, you submit it to me. I will personally review your videos, point out your mistakes, and correct you so you'll be able to learn and master each of these 4 core skills. Now, at the end of these 10 days, you'll be equipped with everything you need to launch, grow, and monetize your YouTube channel. So you know what to do? Go on and click on the link, join the challenge, and you'll be glad you did. I look forward to having you in this program. I hope you got value from this. See you in my next video. Bye.